I don't do this often, but I'm giving it 1 star out of 5. Feels like Lurch made it. You won't believe the spooky snacks I sank my teeth into today. We're diving into all things fall and Halloween, trying out some eerie treats, hunting for Halloween candy, and checking out some wicked decorations. We've got candy, cookies, cereal, and even Halloween-themed milk. So smash that like and subscribe button and come along for this snack-filled adventure. It's sure to be a real scream. I started my spooky snack hunt at Target, prowling the aisles for Halloween treats. I found some coffin-shaped boxes stuffed with Hershey's candy, creepy green Snickers bars, Halloween cookie kits, a bubbling witch's brew cauldron, and more ghostly cookies than you can shake a broomstick at. Checking out the spooky cereal lineup, I found some frightfully fun options. Scary orange Rice Krispies, Halloween-colored Fruity Pebbles, and Franken-Fruit Loops with Ghost, Bat, and Frankenstein marshmallows. Then, there were Apple Jacks with monster marshmallows, and Captain Crunch that turns your milk green with crunchy little ghosts. I also spotted some slimy marshmallow mixes, Boo Bites snack mix, mini Halloween cookies, and a gingerbread haunted house. Oh, and don't forget the yogurt-covered Halloween cookies and Target's own spooky iced cookies shaped like Frankenstein, ghosts, pumpkins, and monsters. They even have a whole haunted gingerbread village with houses, a ghost, Frankenstein, and a freaked-out cat. Now let's sink our fangs into the candy. Now, let's dive into these crazy candy aisles. We've got mini bags of Reese's pumpkin-shaped treats. I snagged a big bag of those, classic Hershey's chocolate, Skittles, and Starburst, plus even more cookies for the sweet-toothed ghouls. Check out this special edition Harry Potter Hershey's bar with designs straight from Hogwarts. Talk about magic in every bite. And look at these Beetlejuice sour gummies and lollipop candy rings. Perfect for a little mischief. Here's more Harry Potter Hershey's chocolate, featuring all 4 houses. Which house are you? Drop a comment below. Plus, there are Harry Potter-themed Hershey's Kisses, and a Sorting Hat candy cane. How neat is that? And for a real treat, we've got bags of mini Pez dispensers decked out in Halloween designs, alongside some classic Pez ghosts, pumpkins, and all sorts of spooky characters. Let's just say, this candy haul is fantastic. As I rummaged through the individually wrapped Halloween candy, I struck gold with the viral Ghost Toast Kit Kats.
What's that? What's that?
That everyone's been raving about. I also found Snickers shaped like pumpkins, because why not combine spooky with sweet? When I was at Walmart, I snagged a big bag of those Ghost Toast Kit Kats to hand out for trick-or-treating. These little ghouls are made of white chocolate with a delicious cinnamon toast flavor, perfect for a Halloween treat. So, let's dive in and give these a taste before they vanish into thin air. Alright, let's crack this bag open. Pour 'em out. Oh, just look at all my candy. Here it is, the spooky little Ghost Toast Kit Kat. Almost got it unwrapped. Okay, time to pop this haunted treat in my mouth. This is a ghostly mix of white chocolate with a cozy cinnamon aftertaste. Totally fall-tastic. I'm so glad I grabbed these for Halloween. I'd rate them a solid 4.25 stars out of 5. Now let's creep on and see what other ghoulish goodies are lurking around. Alright, let's see what we've got here. M&M's, some white and milk chocolate, Reese's Werewolf Cups, Halloween-colored nerds, baby bags of candy corn, and don't you dare talk smack about candy corn. I heard it doesn't like you either.
Yum, yum.
Bat-shaped Haribo gummies, and Halloween peeps in pumpkin, ghost, and Frankenstein shapes. Say what you will, but these spooky peeps are actually pretty tasty. Didn't spot anything else that caught my eye, except for those pumpkin Snickers. So, let's dig into those bad boys. These Snickery treats are supposed to look like shaped pumpkins with caramel and nut filling. Let's give it a closer look. Alright, let's get this package off. I really hope these look like pumpkins.
It's a great pumpkin!
Almost there. Bam, nailed it. Yep, perfectly molded little pumpkins. I love me some nuts, caramel, and chocolate. This is ooey gooey and downright delicious. 4.5 stars out of 5, no question. Now, let's creep on and see what other spooky snacks are lurking around. Alright, let's check out these spooky snacks. First up, we've got some fall-flavored potato chips. Brown butter, anyone? Below that, one of my personal Halloween faves. Candy Corn Crunch Trail Mix. Yes, it's got real candy corn in it, and yes, I'm here for it. Next up, a variety trick-or-treat pack of trail mixes, perfect for any snack attack. Oh, and look, a giant container of candy corn that I'm sure you'll be dying to grab. There's also some combo packs with brown candy corn and candy corn pumpkins. Moving down, we've got apple and pumpkin-flavored snacks, followed by some jack-o'-lantern cookies and pumpkin spice cheesecake cookies. Those are definitely worth sinking your teeth into. And at the bottom, more pumpkin spice cookies. Because why not? As I creeped around the corner, I spotted the dairy section and remembered hearing whispers of orange-flavored milk for fall. And there it is, orange cream-flavored milk, looking all spooky and seasonal. Let's give this mysterious potion a taste. Orange, you excited I grabbed this milk?
What's that? What's that?
This milk is very light tasting. It has just a hint of orange cream popsicle. Not bad, but I wish the flavor packed more of a punch. This might be good to use in an orange-flavored recipe. I'd give it 3 stars out of 5. Now, let's see what other haunted treats are lurking around here. Check out these spooky snacks. Veggie ghost and bat treats for scary vegans, black and orange Halloween tortilla chips, and a gigantic bottle of Halloween cheese puffs. More cheese balls and mini Cheez-Its. Do kids really like all this cheesy stuff? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're handing out for Halloween. Cheddar corn puffs. Sounds decent. They've got all kinds of Halloween-themed fruit roll-ups, iced cookies, I've had these and love them, and pumpkin pie Oreos and regular Oreos with cute Halloween prints. Oh, and Hostess Halloween cupcakes and mini strawberry Pop-Tarts to pass out. While perusing through the Walmart Halloween section, I found this Wednesday Halloween cereal, black corn puffs, that are supposed to taste like cookies and cream. Let's see if it's Halloween worthy. Alright, gotta rip this thing open. Snap, snap, you know the tune. Hurry up. Okay, black and white cereal with marshmallows, looks promising. Let's dive in. Interesting development. It's crunchy and the milk did turn deathly gray. Oh no, this tastes like burnt toast and sadness. Even Wednesday Addams would call this a bad day. This is more trick than treat, folks. I don't do this often, but I'm giving it 1 star out of 5. Feels like Lurch made it. Let's see if the next cereal doesn't taste like it was dug up from a grave. As I turned the corner, I was greeted by Tony the Tiger in his fall finest. Check it out, limited edition pumpkin spice frosted flakes. Let's see if this breakfast treat is as grr-8 as it sounds, or just another ghostly gimmick. Let's crack this box open and give it a good shake like a pumpkin spice latte at a fall festival. Alright, these flakes are staying nice and crispy in the milk. No spooky color change here, just pure autumn goodness. Time to dive in for a taste. Not too shabby. It's got a gentle pumpkin spice sweetness that's not overly sweet. I even tried it straight out of the box, and I thought, this is perfect for munching while watching the leaves fall. You could totally throw this into a fall trail mix with some nuts and candy for a crunchy treat.
They're great.
Since it's good on its own, I'm giving it a cozy 3.75 out of 5. Now, let's check out one more cereal before we dive into the treasure trove of spooky snacks and Halloween decorations lurking at Target. At Walmart, I stumbled upon a monstrous wall of Halloween cereals, a graveyard of sugary goodness. And lurking in the mix, I spotted a brand new ghoul, Carmella Creeper. This one's got a fruity flavor with matching fruity marshmallows, adding some spooky sweetness to your cereal bowl. Looks like she's ready to haunt your taste buds along with the rest of the monster crew. Time to dig in and see if Carmella's cereal is a trick or a treat. Let's tear into this spooky cereal. Boom, got it open. Ooh, it's got green and pink pieces. Kinda looks like Frankenstein Fruit Loops. Let's mix it up and check out the milk. Yup, ghostly green. Time for a taste. Weird. It's more corny than creepy, with just a whisper of fruit and maybe a ghost of maple. The marshmallows are trying to save it with some sweetness. But overall, the flavor is not strong enough. Gotta give this a hauntingly low 2.75 stars out of 5. Now, on to the next snacks and Halloween decor. Drop a comment if you've braved these cereals yourself. Next up, we've got Brack's candy corn mixes. Some even come with candy pumpkins for that extra spooky twist. Over here, we've got fall-wrapped Kit Kats, all dressed up for Halloween. Check out the baking section, complete with Halloween molds to craft your own creepy candies, and some DIY lollipop kits for homemade spooktacular treats. Further down the aisle, it's Candy Central. Giant bags of everything for your trick-or-treaters. Nerds, Yum Earth, whatever that is, gummy bears, M&Ms, Twix, Skittles, Snickers, and of course, Halloween Haribo. And the Halloween Holy Grail, a giant bag of Reese's, Kit Kats, and Hershey's, ready to be the house that every kid remembers. In the Walmart candy section, I stumbled upon one of my all-time favorite Halloween character snacks, Scooby-Doo's Cinnamon Graham Cracker Scooby Snacks.
Zoinks!
I can't wait to dig into these. Let's go, gang! Let's crack open this crunchy box of spooky snacks. Rah-roh, look at all those treats. They're all mine.
What's that?
Okay, let's give these a taste. These are super tasty. Pleasantly cinnamony, crispy little bones. Scooby would definitely approve. I'm giving these a solid 4.5 stars out of 5. Delicious. Now let's check out a few more snacks before we dive into the haunted decorations. Check out these spooky snacks at Target. First up, Halloween cotton candy. Frankenstein, a pumpkin, and a blue mummy tub of cotton candy. Talk about a monstrous sugar rush. Next, they've got chocolate milk bombs shaped like monsters. A white chocolate skull drink bomb? Yes, please. Over here, scary pretzel sticks, ghosts, and even creepy Halloween sprinkles. Oh, and don't forget the finger pretzels. No tricks, just snacks. Gummy time. Dracula's got teeth gummies, Frankenstein's bringing brains, and the mummy's serving up eyeball gummies. I mean, why eat regular candy when you can eat monster body parts, right? On to the Halloween candy staples. This year, they've gone all out with Green Witch Kit Kats, Ghost Toast Kit Kats, and Hershey's Cookies and Cream Mini Bars. Greenfield Twix and Snickers. The monsters are clearly into their color coordination this year. And finally, a wall of Reese's cups shaped like pumpkins, ghosts, and more. White Ghost Reese's? Yep, grabbed a few of those. What are you snacking on this Halloween? Let me know if you've snagged any of these. In the breakfast snack section, I found these S'mores Pop-Tarts filled with cozy marshmallow cream. Let's give these a taste. Hurry up and get that spooky thing open. Got it. Now let's toss it in the toaster and wait for the magic.
What's that?
Oh, yeah, look at that. Time to taste this bad boy. Warm, sugary, and just the right amount of crispy on the outside with that ooey gooey goodness on the inside. Fall vibes for days. I'm giving this a solid 4 out of 5 stars. Perfect for a cozy Halloween snack. Have you tried any of these treats yourself? Drop a comment below. Now let's creep through Target's Halloween decorations. When I hit the Halloween section, I was greeted by a guitar-playing animatronic pumpkin. Totally rad! Next up, we've got pastel skeletons and these odd little Halloween birds. Who knew birds could be spooky? Over here are neon skeletons and pumpkins, definitely picking up a glow-in-the-dark vibe. And down this row, it's a rainbow army of skeletons ready to haunt Halloweenky night. Moving into the costume zone, they've got tons to choose from. Check out this kid's display. Wait, hold up. It's the Target dog costume for 25 bucks. And they even have a shopping cart costume for your pup. Because, you know, every dog needs to be a cart, right? Then we hit the food section. Fry costumes, ketchup, cupcakes, candy, and a giant slushie. Now I'm getting hungry. They also had a taco costume and a nice juicy hot dog. Pumpkins galore. Light up ones with goofy faces and some blow molds that light up and make noise. There's a ghost, a witch, and even a stack of skulls. and tombstones that play music, because even the dead need a jam session.
Trick or treat, smell my feet. You can stop this, that's what you need.
Cute Halloween mugs for just $5. Dracula, cauldrons, ghosts, you name it. Plus, there's neon sippy cups and plates for your spooky snacks. Neon skulls and pumpkins everywhere, though I'm not sure if neon's my color. Fancy wicker skulls and animals, black and gold. Retro plastic figures that everyone's going crazy for. More blow molds. Personally, I'm Team Ghost Blow Mold. There's also tabletop decor, Halloween wreaths, and this animated skull knocker. That's kind of cool.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Oh, just a ghoul with treats to share. Let's get this candy party started.
Oh, and don't miss the Halloween globes. Creepy, but cool. And just when you think it's over, boom, back to the silly old ghosts. I have a lot more fun and scary Halloween content in my Halloween Happenings playlist, so check it out. Hit that like and subscribe button and have a happy Halloween key.
What's that?